guys, this is going to be another short and sweet video. I wanted to make this all in one video, but today we're going to be doing the coil packs on my G35 here. And I wanted to do the valve cover gaskets at the same time while I was in there, but I need the spark plug tube seals, and I don't have those, and I also have no way to go get them. So we're going to have to put coil packs in this thing, so I got a car that'll make it to the parts store so I can go get my parts. Anyways, I'm going to bang into this. I got to fire the Grand Prix up and switch spots here with the Infiniti so we can do it in the driveway. So let's get these things fired up. I'll show you how bad this thing runs, and yeah, we'll get right to it here. Alright, so Grand Prix are in a mint, but this thing not so much. So get this thing started up and I'll show you how bad this thing runs, and we'll get her pulled in the driveway and start taking her apart. Alright, so you can clearly see this thing's pissing pretty bad. Not gonna let it run for too long, so you need to get in there. Just wanted to let you guys hear it. Not so good. Alright, so Kyle wants to start on the passenger side, I guess, so we're gonna start doing that. Just removing that wiring harness again so we can get room in there. You can already see our front coil pack right there. I'll show you guys the box of new coil packs here. And yeah, keep getting to it. Here's our new coil pack. Here's the other 5. And yeah, well, once we get one out, we'll show you an old one and a new one. Not like be much to compare it to because it's electronic, but so we'll either way we'll compare them, make sure they're the same, and start swapping these things out. There's our old one on the right, new one on the left. First new one going in. Alright, got our first 3 done. Code reader said it was cylinder number 6, which is back here. But that's our cylinder. 5 is full of oil. 6 is misfiring. So, lovely times. We're going to start the front now. Take this intake box off and take the other side of this wiring harness loom off so we can get some room in there. And start at the front, move our way to the back, put our last 3 coil packs in. And hopefully fix the problem from now until we do spark plug seals and valve cover gaskets.
Off for long enough for us to actually do it.
Don't need that where we're going. See, exposure adjust here. Sorry, I got bad lighting here, but we're trying to loosen up that wiring harness that's right next to Kyle's hand there. There's just bolts that come along the front here, just so we can get some more room. The coil packs are right under those wires there. First coil pack coming out. First screw out. Second screw. Three. 2. The third one's always the most fun one. Oh, number 3, 6, whatever you want to call it. Alright, let's get the new ones. Alright, so I got the last 3 in. I was working on getting the bolts back in. Wiring harness there. Slap our air box back in. Start this thing up. Hopefully it'll run mint from now on. Well, it'll probably run better after we do the valve cover gaskets and spark plug seals, but hopefully it'll run better. Anyways. 40 horsepower of fury. Okay.
No, I'm just joking. I think you might be right.
Airbox going back on. You guys check this out. Dad straight piped his bike. You can't even see him, but you guys can probably hear it. We'll let him come back into shot here. Just him rip by. Quite funny. It's clipping. you guys haven't seen our video on that thing, check it out. It's pretty awesome. There he comes again. Got her all wrapped up. I was putting the engine cover back on. My apologies for filming. You know, I'm not the best filmer here. Usually Connor's the one filming, but no, we do our best here, and I hope you guys still learned something. That's gonna be it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Actually, you know what? Maybe we should probably fire this thing up. Probably be a good thing. Make sure it runs right, eh? Yeah.
That might be a good idea.
Probably always a good idea. So you know what? Let's fire this thing up and see if it runs better. Another thing for the good. Running a lot better now. After we do those valve cover gaskets, be even better. Let her warm up. It's been almost a week and a half since we started this thing. So that'll be it for today, though. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, and catch you guys on the next one.